Breaking news as we come on the air. Jury deliberations are underway in the trial of a Pewaukee school bus driver accused of sexually abusing young girls on his route. 63-year-old Thomas Felser faces 11 felony charges, including first-degree child sexual assault and repeated sexual assault of a child. 12 News' Imani Fleming is live at the Waukesha County Courthouse. Imani, you were in court as both sides delivered their closing arguments this morning.
I was, Jaron. We are officially on verdict watch now here at Waukesha County Court. This morning, closing arguments from both the state and from the defense team. This after days of heavy, at times disturbing and emotional testimony from both the alleged victim parents and Thomas Felser himself. I can tell you it was a packed courtroom today. Felser accused of sexually assaulting young girls ages 4, 5, and 6 on his bus route last year. The state up first in closing arguments, leaving several screenshots of surveillance video up, going through how each photo proves repeated sexual assault of a child and reminding the jury 3 individual counts of sexual assault for one child need to be proven by the state for the jury to convict Felser on that charge. The defense picking apart those photos, saying the state cannot prove intentional sexual contact. Felser's defense attorney telling jurors they cannot rely on the forensic interviews of the alleged victims played earlier this week in court, saying the victims are young children who might have been confused on what they were saying.
You may question his judgment. You can believe his decision-making was inappropriate in some of those instances. But inappropriate is not illegal. Inappropriate is not sexual assault, is not sexual misconduct. That's a normative judgment, inappropriate. You're here to render a legal judgment.
It is not reasonable to say that these girls are regurgitating what they've heard from others. It is not reasonable to ignore what we all saw in those videos. If the defense's argument requires you to set aside what you saw with your own eyes in that video, that's not reasonable doubt. That's a rejection of reality.
So, Imani, after those closing arguments, the judge read the jury some instructions.
And Jaron, the judge reminding the jury that because this is a criminal case, the jury must come back with a unanimous verdict for the judge.
All right, and those deliberations are underway at this hour. Imani